Let's learn how to make a double crochet. We need to chain 3 for the turning chain. The 4th chain is where we'll work the stitch. Yarn over first. Insert your hook into the 4th chain. Yarn over again. And pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet completed. Repeat the same process for the next one. You did it! Keep up the great work!